back to another episode of Cooking with Jay. Today I'm going to teach you how to make soup for dummies. First thing you want to do is get water. Next thing you're going to do is pour your water into the pot. Gonna set it to high for 5 minutes and let it boil. Timer's done. Stick in the soup. Mix. Timer's done. That's it. Turn it off. You're good to go. That's it. You got soup for dummies. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe below on my channel. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notifications every time I upload a video, which is daily, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to always find out what time zone you're in so you can watch my videos accordingly to your time. Also, don't forget to share my video with your friends, family, and everyone else on your social networks. And also remember to hit that thumbs up button. Squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to hit that thumbs up button. Also, comment below if you want me to create anything. Also remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you so much for watching my video and being part of Jay's squad and Cooking with Jay. And thank you for watching my videos and subscribing, and most importantly, remember, be happy.